Hello friends! Welcome to Daily Sourdough. Do you really enjoy the chewy texture of sourdough bread? Well, today we're going to talk about how to achieve that chewy texture of a traditional sourdough bread. And the first thing that you want to pay attention to is the protein content of your flour. The 12 to 14% protein will achieve a chewier texture. Next, you want to pay attention to the acidity in your sourdough starter and your sourdough bread. So adding more pre-ferment, or which is just your sourdough starter, will give you a chewier texture. Second, the more acidic your bread is, the chewier it will be. So adding extra pre-ferment, which is just your sourdough starter, to your bread will make it chewier. A third way to achieve a more chewy texture is to auto-lease your flour and water together for at least 60 minutes before adding the rest of the ingredients. Another way to increase the chewiness of your sourdough bread is by strengthening the gluten network in your dough. And this is accomplished by either stirring or kneading your dough 1 to 2 minutes longer than you normally would, or if you use the stretch and fold method, to stretch and fold one more complete round per hour. And remember that sugar and oils always soften your dough and will reduce that chewy texture. So friends, try these tips on making your sourdough bread chewier, and be sure to stay tuned for more recipes coming up on Daily Sourdough.